Another day, another stir fry. And today I'm going to make some kailan, which is also called Chinese broccoli. Bought this vegetable 2 days ago, and this vegetable, guys, one of the things about it is that you cannot store it for too long. So I just bought it the day before yesterday, and you already see, like this one over here is slightly, can you see the leaf is already turning yellow a little bit? So this is this vegetable cannot be stored for too long, and you have to cook it fast. You would have thought that kailan is part of the Brassica family, and well, I didn't know, and it is also part of the cruciferous vegetables, and that means it gives us a lot of antioxidants, which really is something that we need in our lives. Now, I'm going to wash these vegetables, and then I'm going to because this is not an organic vegetable, guys, so I don't know what has been sprayed on it, and I'm very particular about using veggie wash. And my veggie wash, the one that I always use, is well, there's a particular brand. I'll show you guys, and we'll also put a link for you if should you want to buy the same one. Okay, this is a brand that I always use. I've been using this for many years, guys, and I trust this brand. But I am going to try a few different brands to see if I like them. And well, this is essentially what I use to wash my vegetables, and of course I put it into this pretty little dispenser bottle because well, it looks prettier. The first thing I do, guys, is rinse each leaf thoroughly. This is for the newbies, okay? This is not the veteran cooks in this platform, okay? This is for the young, the starter cooks, you know, the ones who are just starting. Okay, so after I've done this, then I would put some water over here. Now I'm giving it another rinse in this clean water. Over here, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. You can put 2 or 3 squirts, that's fine. And fill the second basin with the veggie wash. Fill it up like this. It should be a good full basin, guys. Now I immerse these vegetables that I've already rinsed twice now in here. Okay, I'm going to soak these for a while. I don't really like cooking these, guys, so sometimes I just use it for stock or something, and I don't know. But like my daughter, she loves these big stems. I don't. I might take some of it, like over here I've taken some. I'm going to shave off the, yeah, maybe I'll use this one as well. I'm going to shave off some of the outer skin and then slice it up. Yeah, maybe I'll use 1 or 2, but the rest of it, no, guys. About this product, guys, it is made up of 100% natural and organic ingredients. That's why I like it. And it's about 100 times more effective than plain water. So you can wash vegetables with plain water, but this is a more effective way. I also have other ways, guys, like I always keep some salt over here, right near close to my sink. You can soak with salt. You can also use baking powder. Now where's my baking powder? Oh yeah, over here. You can also use baking soda, but definitely. And also you can use vinegar, but this is the easiest way as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, and let's get back to this. It says it removes bacteria, dirt and waxes, chemicals as well as pesticide residue. Easy to use, takes sorry guys, easy to use and takes about 30 seconds. So now only about 30 seconds, fill up another bowl. You can basically take this out of here and eat it or cook it, but I prefer to rinse it again, guys, because I'm a bit fussy. So I'm going to, yeah, I filled up, so I'm filling up a fresh bowl of water, and once this is full, I'm going to put it here and rinse it. I rinse it twice, guys. You can just rinse it once. It's up to you, really. These are the ingredients, everyone. The kailan leaves, the stems, some crushed garlic, some sliced onions. You don't have to, but I kind of like onions in practically everything. And this is some prawns, guys, just about 10 prawns. And today, guys, I'm going to use this. This is mushroom seasoning, and this is a vegan friendly like flavoring, okay? But this is a healthy flavoring, guys, and one of these days I'll do a video about this, as well as yeast flakes, which gives a very nice umami flavor to foods. So what I'm going to do is, well, basically the yeast flakes were introduced to me by my daughter because she's vegetarian and she would like to be vegan as well. And so instead of using oyster sauce and so on, we could use things like this, which is vegetarian or vegan friendly. Just poured in some oil, just a little bit. I am particular about the kind of oils I use as well, guys. I like real authentically sourced oils, so I've used some oil here. And now once it gets heated, I will add the garlic and the onions. Now that it's heated, I'm going to add in the garlic. Oh, that's a lot of garlic, guys. You can reduce that. I kind of like a lot of garlic, so yeah, just going to get that to brown a little bit. Add the onions in as well. Okay, let this brown a little bit, and then we'll add the prawns as well as the stems. Remember, guys, when you use things like mushroom seasoning and so on, these things already has salt content. So you have to be very careful when you're adding salt to your vegetables, because you don't want the dish or the meal that you're preparing to be very salty. Now in goes the stems. I just saute this a little bit and then add the prawns. The stems are a little harder, so that is the reason why I'm adding it a little earlier. Okay, now I'm going to add the prawns. I've covered it because you know how prawns are. Okay, now in goes the prawns. I tend to buy some prawns and package them in little packets so I can use them for vegetables, because sometimes, guys, I don't cook much meat, so my veggie would have a little bit of prawns or even chicken meat. A little water. Now the leaves. I'm using my stainless steel kadai, guys, which I really like. One of the main reasons I like this is because it has a nice glass cover or lid. Most vegan kadai, most stainless steel kadais, they don't come with a, or at least the ones I've seen, they don't really come with a nice glass lid. Well, this one has a nice glass lid, so I like it very much. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit more water and cover it and let it cook for a bit. Now, before it really cooks, I'm going to add just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to add 5 and 6. 6, what do you call this? Splashes of mushroom seasoning, guys. I think I'm going to add more, guys. Another 2 more. Okay, I'm going to stop at that. Add a little bit of salt, tiny pinch of salt. That's done. All done, guys. I'm going to plate it now. There you go, everyone. Delicious kailan cooked with prawns, and I've seasoned this with mushroom seasoning. And remember that as you eat this delicious meal, you're also getting a healthy dose of antioxidants. Do like my videos, do give me a thumbs up or a heart, and do subscribe to my channel, guys. Here's Shakila Shanmugam signing off. Bye, everyone. Those of you who are interested in my stainless steel kadai, as well as the mushroom seasoning and the veggie wash, do click on the yellow bag below and get your own. Bye, guys.